Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, PNP releases findings of election appraisal.
Former Lucid Mayor in more legal trouble.
For shot in Westmoreland.
Overseas, President Barack Obama endorses Hillary Clinton.
And in the business news, Digicel promises significantly faster data speeds.
There's also sports commentary and weather in the Primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
Prime Minister Andrew Hona says Jamaica will rapidly need to make Spanish our official second language. What do you think about this suggestion?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.